Here at RV, we've been making fridge slides for over 2 decades. We have perfected the 3 different styles of fridge slides for you to choose from. Depending on your desired use, your choice of fridge and its size, we believe we have got you covered. Standalone fridge slides offer the most flexibility. They can be mounted to any flat surface, such as the top of a drawer system, the floor of a vehicle, your camper trailer, ute back, and so forth. RV standalone fridge slides also offer full extension, which is most useful when your fridge has a full-length lid. With a rating of 250 kilos, these slides from RV are the toughest on the market. The unique Oliver family design travel lock will not let go in even the harshest of conditions, making it a must-have advantage if you're going off-road. Our flush mount heavy-duty inbuilt fridge slides are the strongest and the smoothest your money can buy. Sealed bearings on the top, the bottom and the sides of the runners and a one-piece folded steel under chassis are simply not available from anyone else but RV Storage Solutions. They can be mounted on either side of the vehicle depending on your preference and your fridge lid opening orientation. We pioneered it and created this truly remarkable inbuilt fridge slide system. The brand new totally aluminium tilt slide combo designed by RV is a beauty. Its purpose is a lighter, smaller footprint, easy to access fridge slide, and it has a vented barrier right round with a storage shelf on top. It is gas strut assisted and a breeze to lower and raise. No cumbersome handles here. The whole slide weighs in at just 25 kilos. Now that's GVM friendly. The tilt slide combo comes in an up to 40 litre size, as shown here, and an up to a larger 75 litre size. The Easy Slide is another alternative to make it easier to get at your fridge contents. The Easy Slide is endorsed by RV, but only up to the 40 litre sized fridges, as shown here. Anything larger is just too big and cumbersome and takes up too much room in your vehicle. It's counterintuitive. Big fridges are best kept down low, and in this case, where the safer centre of gravity will be an advantage to your travels. So there you go. Here at RV, we have all the slides you need. Give us a call before you buy your fridge for some good advice first.